Hi guys, welcome to my channel Kriga. So in today's video I'm going to share with you the review of Dabur Vatika Naturals a long and black shampoo. It has amla and bringraj in it. So the MRP of 640 ml product is 380 rupees. This is the largest size. You even have different sizes in this product as well. So without any further ado, let's get into the review of this one. So let's go into the product description, guys. They have mentioned it on the back side of the packaging itself. So what they are saying is a new Dabur Vatika Naturals long and black shampoo with the goodness of such portion like amla, bringraj, shikakai, rita, black olive, almond and henna. The shampoo with 7 natural ingredients helps maintain shiny, smooth hair, providing gentle cleansing, conditioning and nourishment to hair. So this is what the product is claiming. And coming to the packaging, guys, we get it in a matte black packaging. So for different, this is the largest size, right? So this has pump packaging, but for the smaller sizes you have flip open packaging. And coming to the back side of the packaging, they have mentioned product description, ingredient list, manufacturing date, expiry date and everything. On the front side we have like the variant of this product and like the ml, like the quantity of the product that we are going to get in this packaging and everything. So the packaging is nice, clean, and even it's so sturdy. So it's a really travel friendly packaging. But my pump is not working. I don't know why, but it's not working. So I have to shift this shampoo into another bottle and then I have to use it. So that is the packaging. And coming to the color and consistency of this shampoo, it is black in color, and coming to the consistency, it's a really thick gel like consistency. So it's not a runny or watery, it's really thick, so you can lather it easily. Even if you want to, you can mix it in a water, dilute it, and then you can rinse your hair well. So if you oil your shampoo, you might need a more amount of if you oil your hair, then you may need a more amount of this shampoo. But if you don't oil your hair, then less amount of this shampoo is enough, because it has sulfates. It gives a lot of lather. So it has sulfates, but it is paraben free shampoo. Coming to my personal experience, guys, what I have observed after using this shampoo is that I'm the only one using this shampoo. My family members are not using this, so I took a lot of time to finish this shampoo because it lathers really well. And coming to my hair, it really became black. Normally my hair is dark brown in color, but after using this shampoo, it gave that black, it's not like tint, but it just made my hair black. So if you want to maintain your hair color, like natural color, you can definitely go with this shampoo. And the second thing that I have mentioned is, after using this shampoo, I didn't use conditioner any day. Normally I skip conditioners, but it didn't make my hair dry, or it didn't strip out the natural oils that are present on my scalp, which is really great. So if you have oily scalp like mine, you can definitely go with this shampoo. It acts like 2-in-1 shampoo for oily hair people. But if you have dry or extreme dry scalp, then you have to use a conditioner after using this shampoo. So that is the second thing that I observed. And coming to the third, very mild fragrance, guys. I normally love my shampoos to have a lot of strong smell, so that my hair smells good, but it don't have a really strong fragrance. It has really mild fragrance, and it don't lost our hair as well. So within the second day, you don't have any smell on your hair. You just smell like sweat or whatever is on your scalp. So yeah, that is a con for me. I generally love the shampoos which have a lot of smell, so that there is no need to use hair perfume or something like that, especially in summers, when our scalp is so sweaty and smelly. If we use shampoos which has a lot of fragrance, then I think it covers the sweat smell to some extent, but it is not going to cover any of that. So that is what I observed. And fourth thing is, it actually controlled my hair fall. Oh my god, it did control my hair fall maybe to 40 or 50%, not completely, but at least it did something to my hair fall problem, which is a great thing again. And fifth thing that I observed is, it actually controlled the visible flakes. I have dandruff problem, and my dandruff problem is increasing day by day because I'm using different products on my hair for review purposes. And normally when I use Head and Shoulders, it just removes my dandruff, as well as it removes those visible flakes. The same thing is done by this shampoo as well. It is reducing the dandruff as well as the visible flakes that are present on my scalp. Like whenever I rub my scalp, normally the dandruff will be coming out, but it's reduced after using this shampoo. So these are the things that I personally observed after using this shampoo. Now let's go into the pros and cons of this product, guys. So first pro is, it's easily available. Second is, they have different sizes in this product. So if you want, you can buy the smaller size of this one. And third is it's actually affordable. It's really affordable. Like the bigger size is 380, but it is always in offers in Amazon, guys. So that is the third pro. And fourth, the pro is they have mentioned the complete ingredient list on the back side of the packaging. And fifth is it don't have parabens in it. Sixth is it really has mild fragrance. So if you are someone who hates fragrances, then you can definitely go with this shampoo. And seventh is it lathers really well. Eighth pro is it actually conditions and nourishes our hair as it claims. So yeah, these are the pros. And coming to the cons, it has a lot of chemicals along with the natural ingredients, so it's not like a complete herbal shampoo. And second con is it has sulfates in it, which is not good if you are using this shampoo in long run. So these are the pros and cons of this product. I'm definitely gonna repurchase it again, but not now, maybe after 2-3 years. And I'm definitely gonna recommend it to you guys as well, because it actually is doing something on our hair. It's controlling the hair fall, controlling the dandruff, and also it's nourishing the hair. I mean, really it's doing all the things that a good shampoo should do. But the thing is it has sulfates in it, so I can't, or else we can't use it in the long run. That is the only problem of this product. So yes, that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching my video, sunshines. I'll be seeing you in my next one. Till then, take care. Bye.